To you, Charlie and Naga. At least we can have a break from watering the gardens. For many parts of the country today, there's more rain in the forecast. This was yesterday in Headingley in Leeds, and pretty similar skies today. We're going to have a lot of cloud, some wet and some windy weather. We're not all going to see the rain, but it's a slow-moving area of rain. So where you've got the rain this morning, many of us will keep it through the day. Now, particularly wet weather this morning for the northeast of England and for southern and eastern Scotland too, with some heavy downpours and some strong winds. Now, we've had heavy rain across the southwest of England. That will slowly be easing, but still pretty damp here at 8 in the morning. As we move our way across the Midlands and southern England, it is looking drier for East Anglia, for instance, some brighter spells, but you could still catch the odd shower. Drizzly rain across Wales, much of northern England, into Antrim and down too. We've got that rain through the morning, and it will be particularly heavy across the likes of Fife and Aberdeenshire too. So difficult driving conditions here, I think, through the morning, with a lot of lying surface water through the central belt of Scotland. Now, this area of rain will edge its way northwards and westwards, so easing a little bit across parts of northern England, but the rain pushing in across all of Scotland and Northern Ireland too. We'll still see a bit of drizzly rain for parts of Wales down towards the southwest of England on into the afternoon, but it's drier in the southeast, 19 or 20 degrees here, but pretty disappointing, just 13 or 14 Celsius under the cloud and the rain towards the northern and western parts of the country, with some really windy conditions too here. Now, on to this evening and overnight, we will keep the breeze, the cloud and the wet weather across Scotland into Northern Ireland, Wales and western parts of England, but the rain will ease in intensity, so not quite as heavy as it will be through this morning. So by tomorrow morning, again, northern and western parts of the country, a little bit disappointing with some cloud, breeze and outbreaks of rain. Also some showers cropping up towards the southeast. You could catch perhaps a heavy and a thundery one, but it is a bit warmer. 23 degrees or so by the time we get to tomorrow. So I think a slowly improving picture later tomorrow and on into the weekend. We've got this front slowly moving away from the southeast and then a ridge of higher pressure building in time for the weekend. So bear with the weather. By the time we get to Saturday, still a bit of rain in the southeast, but that should clear to leave a brighter and a warmer day. Less windy too, with temperatures between around 16 to 22 degrees. Now, that theme stays with us on into the second half of the weekend too. So for Sunday, we've got largely dry conditions, perhaps a shower in the far northwest, but most of us drier and brighter, 15 to 23 degrees. So things are looking up, but we have got quite a bit of rain in the forecast today. Back to you both.
Sarah, thanks very much.
Time now is 19 minutes past 6. We're going to have a look through some of the papers for us. Ben's joined us.
Morning.
To you, Ben. Let's have a look through some of the front pages first.
Shall we start?